We have these water alarms strategically placed around the house, around all the sinks, all the plumbing. This one replaced the battery quite a while ago. Last night it went off at 2 a.m. There it goes again. So it's wicked loud. Anyway, it went off at 2 a.m. Woke us up, and it's for this sink. So this sink, we've had a slow drip in it for a while, but something's going on down below, so we're going to inspect it and see if we can find what the problem is, and hopefully we'll fix it. Let me shut this thing off. Might be hard to see, but we got this bucket that's been below the trap of the drain. So here's a better view. We've had this coffee, I don't know, container under the trap, but I can see water here, but I can also see water up here, and I can feel it too. So that's where the plumbing attaches to the bottom of the sink. Whoa. So you see some water accumulating. There's no hole in the container. I'm gonna pour this down the drain and see if the drain might be slightly clogged and holding on to water above this, and that's where it's dripping. Let's clean this up on the floor here, and then we'll break apart the plumbing. Yeah, there's some grossness in there. But it's not clogged. This is the stopper for the sink. Just need to detach it. Here we go, maybe that'll help. Rusty, but doesn't seem to be a lot of growtiness. Again, it's not clogged. I think it's just a bad seal. Yeah, it's just the growtiness around this. I think I can clean that up and get a better seal. I think I have some replacement parts too. So we're looking down now from the sink, and you'll see there's just a lot of stuff that's all around here. So I'm just gonna clean this up with this old toothbrush. Yeah, don't worry, I've got a bucket down there. So all the pieces look really good. This is the top of the stopper. I don't know if you can see that. Let me get better light on it. And it's tough to get that off. It's just, when I mean off, if you see those lines, it's just stains over the years. And this is the piece that goes in the bottom of the sink too. So it's just worn. I'm gonna check my inventory before I use these again and put them back in, see if I got a replacement for them. May run down to Home Depot too. So I went into our inventory, and we had a bunch of things from other projects. This is the piece that I actually would like to replace. I don't have to replace it, but this top is gold, not silver. This one, the head is too thin. It's the right length. This one is too long, but the head is the right length. So I went to Home Depot. Wound up getting this. So this is a full replacement. And it shows it's blue, but it's not actually blue. It's just the tape. Anyway, it's silver, so we're gonna use this piece. We'll use that piece. I also picked up some of these reducing washers. And just in case, right, of course I picked up a new P-trap. Don't know if we're going to use it. I also picked up some plumber's putty, but I don't think we're going to use that. I think instead we're going to use this Supreme silicone, 100% waterproof, some stuff that I was reading. Rather than using the putty, this could stain, even though it says it's safe on most plastics. We're probably going to use that. So let's start putting this stuff back together. All right, there we go. Let's test it. All the way up, all the way down. Open, closed. Open, closed, open, closed, open, closed. Pushing the P-trap all the way up. All right, let's test this. Okay, stopper is open. Water is on. All right, a little crooked, but I think this, I don't know what you call this, springy piece seems to be compensating for it. P-trap is tight. No leaks around the top. Stopper is closed, so the sink is filling up with water. Stopper back open. And it's draining, and I don't see any water. Sweet. I think we're good.
We fixed the drain, but we're not good. I started to address the dripping faucet. I cranked on the valve and busted the CPVC pipe. Water everywhere. Ugh. I immediately shut off the water to the house. Then I called the plumber, and then I opened the wall from the other side. We put a shark bite cap as a temporary fix because it's challenging to find CPVC fittings.
Hi, it's been several hours now since we put this PVC fix in here. We put a coupler in with a line and elbow, this piece that gets grounded to the stud or the blocking, and then also the piece inside there is a coupler which goes to the valve. I turned on the water as prescribed very slowly. Everything looks good. It's looks like it's all pressurized and there's no leaks, no dripping. I've turned on the valve. So far no leaks. Turning on the water in the sink. It's on full. Looks like the problem has been solved.
If you want to see more videos where we fix a lot of different things, check out the Fixing Cool Things playlist. Thanks for watching.